Is it really fair to judge someone to be fake when we really don't know them? How do we make a call that someone is being fake? Are they being fake with me or with everyone?
Dude.
Do I actually have the right to decide if they are of genuine character? If they are really being fake, what is their motivation? What do they really want out of the relationship? So many questions! Hi YouTube, I'm Talyn, CEO of Grassroot Diplomat, where diplomacy starts with you. And through this channel, I'm going to train you on how to become a diplomat. I wanted to talk to you about working with fake people because unfortunately, you'll come across a few charlatans working in international relations.
Yikes!
These are usually people who want to appear more important than they are. They want to exude power and they want people to know it. They have this persona that doesn't always gel well with people, and they seem disingenuous when asking for their opinion on certain matters. Come on, we all know people like that, right? But most of the time, we try to avoid them and get out their way. But what happens when we have no choice but to work with them? What if they're our boss and leadership actually falls under them? Then the choice to ignore or avoid them becomes so much more difficult. Working with fake people is a problem because it's a matter of trust. Now, how can you trust someone who isn't being truthful with you about their character and their intentions? Now, it's tempting, really tempting to put people into boxes or categories based on how real or fake they may be, but we need to be careful here. We all fall in and out of trust with even people we like. So, are we actually being really judgmental here? And is it safe to do so when our job working in international relations is really about the well-being of others? If we get fearful, our worst qualities will start to show up, and then people will pick up on those vibes and start to think similarly about us. So the question you need to really ask yourself about the fake person you're working with is this: what are they afraid of? Why have they created this obvious barrier? What are they trying to protect? And how can you actually lessen the burden so that it is easy for you to work with them? Now, this may sound psychological because it is. Putting up a fake persona is all about protection. And this could be of anything. You know, the protection of ego, image, past experiences, trauma, even another person that they feel uncomfortable around. The list is endless. The mistake you need to avoid is thinking that they were born to be fake. No one is born to be fake. Being fake is something that is created, and we all fall into this sort of fakeness from time to time. So how can we empathize with them? Because let's face it, no one likes working with someone who is acting fake. It is almost like there is no point in you putting your best effort forward with them because you're not going to get a real, genuine response from them. So, what do they want? What are they after? Can you figure this out? We can tell the truth about how we are feeling, and that takes real strength. If you care less of how people think of you, you become stronger and more resilient. If they're trying to act more superior than you, maybe they really feel inferior internally and are compensating for this. It's all a mind game, and if you can get ahead of this psychological mind game, you will get ahead, and that fake person who gets under your skin so much, they won't make you feel like that anymore. And diplomacy is all about these mind games sometimes, especially when you're stuck in a room with another diplomat your country has zero interest in. Just remember what you are here to do. As a diplomat, you have a certain role to play, so focus on your own duties and responsibilities. You have a bigger influence on the energy in your environment than you think. It takes strength to do what you do, and you need to work on your emotional intelligence so that muscle in between your head actually grows stronger. Chapter 3 of the Diplomatic Planner is dedicated to enhancing your emotional intelligence. Pick a copy of the Diplomatic Planner today as part of your self-development toolkit for a career in international relations and diplomacy. So what kind of fake people have you come across in your lifetime, and how did you deal with them? I would really love to hear your comments about this, and actually try to help create a strategy so other people can actually find this useful. Anyway, if you found this video useful, please like it and subscribe to this channel by clicking on the bell below. Keep practicing and remember to always be true to yourself. See you next Friday and good luck, diplomats.